Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Spotlight Sunday. So Spotlight Sunday, what it is I'm going to talk about one specific thing. Just one specific thing. It could be a singular product, or it could be something that goes together, like a specific brush going with a specific product type thing. It could be a set, a collection, anything that comes to mind, really. But this is the first one, so there's only one real specific thing that I want to mention in this Spotlight Sunday. Hey, Julie! So once you hop on, go ahead, say hi, give your favorite emoji, let me know that you're here. And I'm gonna get this shared around. Super, super excited. Makeup shop. Come on. I'm moving faster than my laptop right now. This is great. I'm just waiting for people to hop on. Go ahead, say hi. Let me know where you're from. Let me know if you're ready to know what today's spotlight is all about. All right, one last share. Go ahead and share this one in there. All right. Spotlight Sunday, ta-da. So Spotlight Sunday today anyway, if I can pick it up, is going to be all about this amazing kit. I don't share it enough with you guys, and it's a huge share. Look how big this bag is though, you guys. It's gorgeous. Ta-da, ta-da. Like, just look at this. It is a huge bag. It's got a lot of room on the inside. I use this actually as a purse. I'm not kidding. But, I mean, look at all that room. My laptop fits in here. I have, books in here, notebook. I keep all kinds of stuff in here, samples. It's got, pockets here. It's got spots for, pens or brushes, whichever you want to use it for. It's got like 4 of them right here. And it's even got pockets on the sides, like on both sides too. And the strap right here is removable, so you don't have to have this strap. You can use literally just these handles here, and this bag is gorgeous. Look at that. There's like a little pendant thing hanging on it. But let's talk about what comes in the bag, okay? Okay. So first and foremost, we have the 3D fiber lashes that come in it. Ta-da! And then we have the Esteem Lash Serum. Oh. And we got my personal favorite, the Epic Mascara that comes in it. Hello, hello, hello. And we also have this Precision Pencil Eyeliner. I always get tongue-tied when I go to say that, but this is the shade Proper, so it's like a dark brown. And you get this Splash Liquid Lipstick in Stellar, which is a very nude lip shade. Da 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 da. Cannot talk. Then you get this quad palette, comes in a little sleeve like that. Ta-da. And it comes with 4 shades: Witty, Gentle, Alive, and Discreet. So we got Witty over here. And we got, Gentle, Alive, and Discreet. Ta-da. So it comes with those 4. That. There's some pretty colors right here. Oh my gosh. Let's go ahead and put that back in the sleeve. Beachfront Bronzer in Sunset, which was recently a color of the day. Ta-da. which very soon is going to change from product of the day, or from color of the day to product of the day, because I'm running out of colors. You get a blending brush right here for your eyeshadow. Help blend everything down. You get this Lip Balm Bond Lightly Tinted Lip Balm in Vanilla Milkshake. Ta-da. I love my Lip Balm Bond. Oh my gosh, so soft. You get the Touch a la Mode Cream to Powder Luminizer in Benevolent. And let's just kind of show you that right now. Like, look at that. It's a cream powder. I had to show you guys that. Like, it is gorgeous. And then, of course, you get your Rose Water Toning Spritz. Ta-da! And out of all those products, that's still not the only thing that you get. You also get samples. So you get fragrance samples. Now, these type of samples are a lot different than these samples. These are like the zip strip samples where you just lift this tab here. These ones are the ones that come in the kit. Now, this is actually more of like a gel, so you can actually try out the fragrance. It's actually pretty cool. I like love that thing. You also get mask samples, starting with your exfoliating mask. And you get the detox mask, and you get oil control mask. So you get these 3 samples right here. Ta-da! You also get foundation samples. I do have one missing because I used it. But here you go. So you get this right here, foundation samples for the liquid foundation, complete with the Touch Glorious Face Primer. There's one of every shade in here. And then, of course, you get your catalog. Ta-da. This catalog is amazing, you guys. Look at this. Look, like, what is this? This is awesome is what it is. Okay, so you get your full catalog and everything in there. Plus, would not be complete without a white status. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. White status presenter charm. Let me see if I can maybe dim the light on that. I don't know. But yeah, so it's a white status presenter charm here. Little purple keychain. So cute. So yeah, so that is Spotlight Sunday. Oh, did I mention that there are some extras that new presenters get? Yeah, there are some extras. You ready? You ready for this? All right, here it is. First of all, you get $20 YCash. It's store credit for your website. You get $20 YCash. Then, your kit, it ships for free. And then, just to top it off, you get a pretty good size looking LED mirror that lights up, like lights up on the sides. It's an LED mirror, and you get that for free with the purchase of your kit. Amazing. Can you see why I chose this for my first Spotlight Sunday? Like, it's amazing, you guys. Oh my god. However, the mirror, the free shipping, the YCash, all that is for July only. We only got a couple days left, you guys. So, it is so worth it, okay? The amount of products, like full-size products that come in the kit, total at retail is over $300. It's like $345 last time I checked. But the kit that comes with all of those products is only $99. That's it. Free shipping. You don't even have to worry about it. $99, and that's it. Boom. Isn't that awesome? I think it's awesome. Like, personally, if I could go back in time and rejoin, or just go back in time, like, you know, before I ever joined, this would be the time that I joined, because this is awesome. Oh my gosh. Yes, I'm in love with this, with the new kit. I am. I'm in love with the free shipping, the free mirror, the $20 YCash, all the products that come with it. Oh, the other samples that you guys get that I don't get. You ready for this? It's a 10-piece lip gloss sample. There's like 13 different lip gloss shades. You get a sample set of 10 with your kit. So you get to actually try them or have your customers try them. That's something I don't get to do. I wish I could do that. Like, oh my God. But you get to do that. So that is awesome. I think it's awesome. I don't know, maybe it's just me. But anywho, so thank you guys for hanging out with me for Spotlight Sunday. Ta-da. If you're interested in getting the kit, let me know, and I'll send you the link to get you started. I will see you guys probably tomorrow. All right, bye guys.